Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 aluminum welding machines. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Welder 3-in-1 Inverter Aluminum Welder. Specifications. Brand name, Welder. Model number, MiG-270A. Feed, automatic feed. Welder type, MIG, MMA, TIG. Rated input power, 5.6 kVA. Current range, 50 to 270 amperes. Voltage, 110V to 220 volts. Welding process, flux core. Origin, China. Weight, 17 kilograms. Product number 4, Reboot MIG Welder. Specifications. Brand name, Reboot. Output power, 6.2 kilowatt. Rated input voltage, AC 120 volts to 240 volts. Rated output current, 40 to 250 amperes. Duty cycle, 60%. Protection level, IP21. Efficiency, 85%. Wire feed speed, 2 to 15 m/min. Welding wire diameter, 0.8/0.9/1.0. Welding rod diameter, 1.6 to 3.2 millimeters. Weight, 10.7 kilograms. Product number 3, HF TIG Welding Machine. Specifications. Brand name, XC. Model number, AIT200P. Rated input voltage, AC 220 volts, 50 to 60 Hz. Rated input power, 5.8 kVA. Rated input current, 26.3 amperes. TIG output current, 10 to 200 amperes. MMA, arc output current, 20 to 120 amperes. TIG no load voltage, 65 volts. Rated duty cycle, 60%. Efficiency, 85%. Protection class, IP21S. Product number 2, Hitbox HBT250P. Specifications. Brand name, Svogen. Model number, HBT250P AC/DC. Is smart device, no. Voltage, 220 volts. Origin, China. Product number 1, Svogen 200A 4-in-1. Specifications. Brand name, Svogen. Model number, HVT250P AC/DC. Smart device, no. Voltage, 150 volts to 240 volts. Welding current, 5 to 200 amperes. Origin, China.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.